Hi, wonderful people. Welcome to my channel. Today, I have another great video for you, and I want you to spend your time and watch it to the end and see how Ghana is being improving through our road network. This is your boy obuorike, and I have this powerful video for you. And I want you to do your boy a favor by subscribing and turn your notification bell on, so that anytime we send a new video or we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch. Today we find ourselves at School Junction, where the 6-kilometer School Junction Borteyman Motorway road project is ongoing. In April of this year, the Honorable Kwesi Atta handed over the site to the contractor Oswald Investment Limited, which construction began in May. The road leads to the Borteyman Sport Complex, where all Africa Games will be held next year, 2023. And because of that, this road has been the fastest road project that is ongoing in Greater Accra. As you can see from your shot, things are moving fast because the All Africa Games will come on next year. So this particular road will be needed so that we will convey people to the sports complex for other activities to take place. So as you can see from your shot, they have done the gutters. They have covered some, and some they are still construction other. The pavement at the middle, they are still working, and I believe when they are able to finish on time, will make the place look nice. I normally use that road, and first it was very bad. It was very, very, very bad. But as you can see now, when I drove from Tema to this area, less than few minutes, I'm already there. So if they are able to finish on time, that will help motorists, people who are coming from Ashama, Tema, Pram, whatever. If they are going to Adenta, Medina, or Ibri, you don't need to go and pass through the Tetequashi, but you just branch to the Borteyman School Junction Road, and there you are at Medina, Adenta, or Frafraha, or whatever that you are going around the eastern region area. If you are going to Mapom, you are from Tema, Pram, just use that road, which is shorter and fast. So I think when they are able to complete this project on time, it will help people to move fast. And people have built over there, but because of the bad nature of the road, people are not able to move in. So I believe that when they are able to finish, a lot of people are going to move in. And it is very, very important. It is very, very important for some of us that we use this road every day will help us, because our vehicles or our cars have been faulty now and then. So I believe strongly that this road will help us. As you can see, I'm driving towards the motorway area. I'm driving towards the motorway area, and they have done all the gutters, and they are still putting more gravels on it to fill it, so that they will get to the height or the maximum height that they want. Then they will continue. So this particular area is where the road that leads to the stadium area is. So you can see a new road that they are creating to the sports complex. So when you are coming from School Junction, you drove from School Junction all the way this particular the road. This is a fresh road that they have constructed. And over here now I'm approaching the motorway itself. This is a junction at the motorway. This is a Borteyman taxi rank. The Borteyman taxi rank. So from here, you can see that I'm approaching the motorway, which is the Community 18 motorway junction as well. This particular place is not far from the abattoir. It is not far from the abattoir. So thank you so much for having your time watching this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn your notification bell on, so that anytime that we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to watch. We'll meet once again. Thank you. Bye bye.